What's up, Pisces? Welcome to your August 2021 Tarot and Astrology reading. I hope you guys are doing well. This is for Pisces rising, sun, or moon. Rising may resonate to the astrology portion most though, so do keep that in mind. And let's go ahead and get into your reading, Pisces. So I really feel like this is a month. Sorry, I got a shit ton of cards that just like dropped here, but August is a month where it is a great time for you to focus on the little things that give you joy, that fulfill your heart, right? August is a time for you to practice doing stuff for yourself a little more on a day-to-day basis. And some of those things can be related to other people as well, like helping others and doing things for others that, you know, that may make you happy. That may make you feel good about yourself. But at the same time, don't neglect yourself either. Don't neglect your own desires, your own heart. And also, don't neglect reality, right? And that could be very easy for you guys to do this month. You know what I mean? With Venus and Mars and Mercury moving through Virgo, they're going to oppose your sign, and Neptune in your sign. And right away, the first two cards we have here are the Hanged Man reversed and the Moon reversed. And so this tells me that there's something in your life where maybe you're feeling a little bit lost, or maybe you're feeling a little bit lonely, or maybe you're feeling a little bit confused, right? Like maybe you're not necessarily seeing something clearly, or maybe you're unwilling to look at it a different way, right? And it could really be in regards to relationships. Certain people in your life, whether romantic or other, certain commitments in your life that maybe you feel like you're doing a lot for, that you're, you know, working really hard for, or whatever the case, but maybe that's not being reciprocated all the way, right? And so, yeah, that's kind of what I'm getting here. A lot of your tarot cards that are coming out, because I heard Heartbreak Hotel when these cards came out. I just looked up the lyrics because, like, I know the song, but it's been forever since I've heard it. I never really paid attention to the lyrics, and I thought that was weird that that song came up. And right when I heard that song, the Three of Swords came out. And I feel like, I don't know, maybe some of you guys could be relating to that song. Maybe not all of you guys. Do remember, this is a general reading, so not every message will relate with everybody. But it seems like maybe somebody that you've shared a lot of memories with, or somebody from your past, has backed off or backed away. Could be a relationship, could be a friend, family member. I'm not sure. It's going to be different for different ones of you. But it seems that you're feeling a little like abandoned or betrayed, or like someone maybe turned their back on you. And after you did a lot for them, or after they were there for you through a lot, you know, either way, either or. And I feel like August is a month where you need to take some time and find your own sense of empowerment, confidence, strength here, because, you know, you need to allow yourself to heal, basically, and not just, you know, kind of try to ignore how you're feeling or ignore what happened, right? And kind of just tell yourself, oh, it's all going to be okay, or, you know, whatever, you know, just kind of basically trying to bypass how you feel or the situation, and try to kind of live in your own little vision of what you wish it could be or what you want it to be, and not really pay attention to the reality. I feel like there's possibly a certain situation here for some of you guys where maybe you're not really seeing the reality of the situation at some point this month, you know, or maybe on and off throughout the month. And so I feel like it's really important for you to take some time to really get your mind right, you know? Because even in your oracle cards, we got the Two of Cups and the base chakra. And the base chakra deals with fear. And it deals with our physical reality, right? And we also have partnerships and alliances. For some of you, this could be a friend, or for some of you, an alliance, or for some of you, a business partner, for some of you, a relationship. But there's some kind of exchange of energy with someone that maybe you're not 100% seeing clearly. Now, we also got Justice reversed, the High Priestess, and the Four of Pentacles. So I feel like maybe you're not exactly trusting yourself. Maybe you're trying to hold on to a situation that is unjust rather than trusting yourself. Or maybe you're trying to ask why too much right now, when really it should just be about going within, trusting your intuition. And yeah, and I feel like, you know, this is also a month that is going to be important to, I think, be very organized with your money. With the ruler of your 8th house and your 2nd house and your 7th house, there's definitely some money stuff coming up here with you and other people. And so I think that intuitively, if you feel like you should be keeping an eye on your money, if you feel like, you know, you should not be giving your money out or whatever, then you need to trust that, okay? So towards the end of the month, though, it looks like you're finally like, okay, I need to focus on my physical reality instead of what I want in my head, or what I feel like I want the outcome to be, or what I think the outcome should be, or what I wish the outcome would be. I need to focus on right here, right now, and the truth about my physical reality, or my finances, or this situation, or this person, or whatever the case may be. And it's kind of like getting real. It's kind of like a reality check that I feel like is happening towards the end of the month, where you're finally like, okay, like I need to mentally move on and help myself before I can go helping other people, right? And I may feel different or lonely or like an outcast, but I have people that are physically going to be there for me. And you do. I really feel like you do. So yeah, very interesting, Pisces. I feel like something that you really wanted, or something that you had envisioned, didn't quite turn out the way that you thought it would, and could have even hurt you. You know what I mean? It could have even been like, you know, like someone turning their back on you, or feeling betrayed, left out in the cold, so to say, with that 5 of Pentacles. You know what I mean? Something that you didn't expect, something that really shook you to the core, or shook the foundation, shook your plans, especially materially or financially. It could even just be maybe your partner, maybe something with their job, you know what I mean? Or something with their money for some of you. But either way, there's something here where you weren't expecting it. And I feel like you may feel a little bit used, or like you really did a lot, or you really tried to be helpful, but, you know, and that doesn't make you wrong for trying to be helpful if this is resonating, right? And I feel like because you were helpful, someone will help you if you're willing to ask for the help. If you're willing to, you know, if you're willing to pull yourself back up, if you're willing to do what you need to do, then other people, I think, will be willing to help you. But I feel like there's definitely possibly a material, financial situation, or a situation with a relationship here that's got your spirits a little bit down this month, or you know, something that happened a little unexpectedly that you're having to emotionally purge, right? It's got you in your feelings. It's got you a little worried, you know? But I also feel like this emotional purge will bring you back into your strength, will bring you back into your confidence, will bring you back into your power, and will actually end up empowering you, Pisces. I really do feel that if you're able to move through it, if you're able to feel your feelings, to let them out, and to do what needs to be done, you'll get through it and you'll be like, wow, I can't believe I got through that shit. Now I have new opportunities. Now there's, you know, unexpected opportunities or unexpected doors opening or unexpected money, you know, if you're able to move through it. And then you're able to start again after you've left the past in the past and create your new reality. But it's very, very important that you let the past go and don't keep trying to repeat it or hang on to it. That's the thing, Pisces. So I don't know who needed to hear those messages. You know, last month people were all freaking out because some people didn't resonate. These are general readings, so I don't know. And also, if you feel like you don't resonate and it's the beginning of the month still, then, you know, wait till the end of the month. Things happen, you know what I mean? But I feel like these messages were for somebody, so hopefully somebody resonated with them. So yeah, other than that, Pisces, let's see what else is going on here. I feel like you know, with all this stuff moving through your 7th house, it's definitely a time of relationships for you. But you are also seeing what cycles, habits, patterns are keeping you stuck in the past. You know what I mean? And you've been seeing that for like the last, like, well, really like this year so far, but it's been like really crucial like the last month and a half as things have been moving through Leo and opposing Saturn and squaring Uranus. And so you've been seeing where you have these kind of defenses or defense mechanisms for possibly staying too long in situations that don't serve you, or where you need to have more boundaries, right? Or where you kind of fall into certain subconscious habits or patterns, etc. You know, where certain things need to end to allow you to shine. And also, you know, with this month with the Sun in Leo, this is about you finding joy and happiness in your day-to-day life, and anything that's taking that from you needs to go. Like, literally needs to be thrown in the fucking trash and set on fire. You know what I mean? Anything that is taking your, you know, your spiritedness, I don't know if that's a word, your spirit away from you on the daily, where you can't even, like, you know, I don't know, where you just can't find joy in your day-to-day life, then it needs to go. And this month is also very much about looking out for yourself, taking care of yourself, your health, you know what I mean? This would be a great month to do something that benefits you health-wise and, like, you know, body-wise, but that also that you enjoy doing, that's fun to you. So maybe something like dancing, you know, kickboxing, something like that could, I think, really also help with confidence and all of that. Pampering yourself on a day-to-day basis, you know, really taking care of yourself and allowing yourself to shine on a day-to-day basis is going to be really, really important for you this month, Pisces. So that is what I'm getting for you guys, Pisces. Hopefully this resonated. Definitely let me know down below if any of the messages in here did resonate. And yeah, I love you guys. I will see you guys in my other videos.